Conditional formats help you make judgments about your data quickly, but you might find that one or more of the rules you created are no longer useful. If that's the case, you can delete rules individually from the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager, or get rid of them all by using the controls on the Home tab of the ribbon. If you want to delete a single rule, then on the Home tab of the ribbon, click Conditional Formatting, and then click Manage Rules. Then in the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager dialog box, you can select the rule that you want to delete. So, for example, if we wanted to delete the rule that identifies the top 7 values, then I could click it and then click Delete Rule. You should always verify that any remaining rules operate the way you want them to. For example, if the rule you got rid of had a stop if true condition, you might have disrupted the rule's logic and caused Excel to apply rules it shouldn't. When you're done managing the rules inside this dialog box, you can click OK to save your changes, or cancel if you want to close the dialog box without saving your changes. If you want to remove a particular set of conditional formats, then you can do so by once again on the Home tab, clicking Conditional Formatting, and then pointing to Clear Rules. And when you do, a number of choices come up. Clearing rules from just the selected cells works as advertised. It removes conditional formats from just those cells that you've selected. Clearing rules from the entire sheet removes all conditional formats from the worksheet, not just the pivot table. When the active cell lies within an Excel table, the Clearing Rules from this table option deletes conditional formats from that Excel table. In this case, the active cell isn't within an Excel table, so that option's grayed out here. And finally, Clearing Rules from this pivot table removes rules from the pivot table, but doesn't affect any rules elsewhere on the worksheet. So for example, if I were to click Clear Rules from this pivot table, then Excel would remove those rules, but wouldn't affect anything else within the worksheet if other rules were applied. Getting rid of conditional formats you no longer need reduces the visual input you have to process when you view a pivot table. If you find that a conditional format is more of a distraction than a help, don't hesitate to get rid of it.